Your snowblower works hard. Its paddles should too. Introducing KAGE Poly Rotor Paddles, the durable alternative to standard rubber replacement paddles for 21-inch Toro single-stage snowblowers. Made from long-lasting polyurethane, the KAGE Poly Rotor Paddles are proven to last up to 4 times longer than OEM rubber paddles. That means fewer replacements, lower maintenance costs, and less time spent keeping your equipment in the shop. And durability isn't the only advantage. As the KAGE Poly Rotor Paddles wear, they maintain a sharp rotor edge, helping your snowblowers cut down to the pavement and clean surfaces more efficiently. Installation is simple too. These paddles are a direct replacement for compatible OEM rubber blades, with no equipment modifications required. Longer paddle life also means fewer scraper bar replacements, saving even more time and money throughout the snow season. Spend less time replacing worn rubber paddles and more time clearing snow. Get longer life, cleaner results, and less maintenance with the KAGE Poly Rotor Paddles. Less time, less cost. That's the KAGE Advantage. KAGE Innovation, stay grounded.